So guys, here we have is GBPUSD. So once again, if you've not subscribed, guys, please click on that subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, and also make your comments. I want to also watch out for your comments and what you think about this. Now, to actually predict this GBPUSD that we have here, I would want us to actually start from the higher time frame, which is on the weekly time frame, by the way. So look at this weekly time frame, right? There's only one movement that has been made it on GBPUSD, which is a bearish move. And secondly, I've included the 10-period moving average. Once price is below it, then we have to short it, but if it is above it, we have to go long. So clearly we can see that this price is below the 10-period moving average, so we have no other option than to actually short it, right? Now look at this movement on this GBPUSD. This was an impulse move downward, then a correction was made. We had this lower lows, then a lower highs was made here. Take a look at this lower lows, right, which are the massive drop. Then of course a correction happened. After this correction, what next again? Another bearish move. So this is one of the reasons why we actually closed bearish last week, and this week itself the price has started to move bearish. We would want to see this price actually roll down to actually take out this week. So this would take us this will be close to about 500 pips, I think. Yes, this is about close to 600 pips. So within this month and next month, we should actually see that bearish move, by the way. So let's say by the end of the month, if possible, if there's much movement on this GBPUSD, I can assure you that we would be able to hit that 600 pips to be able to grab it, by the way. So that is on the weekly time frame. We are on a bearish move and we are dropping. Now to actually place this, to understand this trade more, we would actually go down to the daily time frame. Right now, take a look at this daily time frame here. There was a drop here, then we had a correction here, again another drop. Notice this drop broke the previous lows. Here a correction was made, then we had this huge massive drop. That was when the GBP itself fell. We all know about it, how the GBP dropped massively. So it was this at this period, then the GBP had to correct itself. So after the correction, of course we are expecting another bearish move. So on this daily time frame, we are still on a bearish move. Take a look at this, right? I think this is day 5 on the bearish movement. This was day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, to the extent that this price has now broken below the 10-period moving average. So since the price is still below 10-period moving average, we have to short it. So now that we on the day 5 we are bearish, right? We actually open and close bearish, right? I can assure you that on day 6, 7, 8 we would also close bearish. So maybe if we can go about 60, 50, 60 pips each day, minimum of 50 to 60 pips each day. We can go as long to 100 pips a day. It depends on how you want to trade, by the way. So if you can grab about 50 to 60 pips a day, I think on a bearish movement, then I think that is a good one. So GBP USD, we are still on a bearish move. We are on the 5th day of the bearish move. So the 6th day, which is the next day on the 12th, will also open and close bearish, by the way. So to actually place this trade, we would want to roll down to the 4-hour time frame, by the way. So we would zoom it out from the 4-hour time frame. So we all know, to place this trade, right, we all know that we are expected to go bearish on the weekly time frame, and also on the daily time frame is showing us a bearish move. To place this trade, we would want to short it. So what we clearly can see on the 4-hour time frame is that this price is bearish, meaning it is time for us to now short it. So let's start this movement from here. This is a bearish move, a correction here, then again another bearish move on GBPUSD. Of course, after the bearish move, a correction should happen. So now that the correction is over, is it time for us to actually enter the trade? Definitely yes. So now we see that this price has dropped to the extent it has broken below this previous low. This was the previous low, then price actually rose up, by the way. So now that price has broken below it, it is now time for us to actually enter this trade. So we would want to see it actually drop to the next level, which I am seeing here, which is a level of 1.08930. So at least from here to the next level, that is about 100 pips. So we still have about 100 pips bullish move and bearish move to be made before we might, I'm saying, before we might get a pullback, if possible. If not, we might see a breakout and come to this next level here. So we are expecting this price to drop to this level, before a pullback will occur. That will be giving us about 100 pips bearish move to be made on GBP USD, by the way. So, and let's see what this 1 hour time frame also says, by the way. So still on a bearish move, right? See it. The 1 hour time frame has broken this previous lows, was where we had this pullback. So 1 hour time frame has broken below it. So it is time to actually drop on the trade. It depends on when you are watching it, by the way. So if you are watching it early enough, you should be able to take this trade for the day.